Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday Joy with Shraddha. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. Today is one of those simple, slow days at home. The kind of day that may seem ordinary but is filled with little moments of comfort and joy. I have refilled my pista container and now it's time to take care of my green chilies. I recently visited my local Indian grocery store and was so happy to find this beautiful fresh green chilies. We don't get good quality Indian chilies throughout the year here in Canada. So whenever they are available, I like to buy them in bulk. I will wash the chilies thoroughly, let them dry, and then chop it into small pieces and then freeze it so that I can use it all year round. It is one of my favorite little kitchen habits because it saves so much time later, and I always have fresh chilies ready whenever I am cooking. Before freezing the chilies, I remove all the stems and carefully check for rotten chilies and keep it aside. Then I chop them into small pieces. It's ready to use whenever I need them. There is something so therapeutic about cutting vegetables. It gives me a chance to slow down and simply be present. There was a time when I would spend these quiet moments lost in my thoughts, replaying the past or worrying about the future. But over time, I have been learning to gently bring my attention back to what I am doing right now. These chilies are a staple in my kitchen. I use them in curries, dals, vegetable dishes, and homemade chutneys. They have the perfect balance of heat, not too spicy and not too mild. And their fresh aroma adds such a beautiful, authentic Indian flavor to every meal. And at last, I will keep aside a few chilies. I will remove their seeds and cut it into small pieces and keep it aside for a special recipe. So these chilies are cut and ready to go to the freezer. I will put them into the Ziploc bags and then we'll put them into freezer. us a long way. These quiet moments of preparing and storing ingredients may seem simple, but they make everyday life smoother and bring so much comfort to my kitchen routine. And now it's time to prepare for a special recipe. I am making carrot, green chili and red pepper pickle. I washed the carrots and the peppers and peeled the carrots, and I will remove the seeds of the red pepper and will cut it into small pieces. As I chop each vegetable, I notice the colors, the textures, and the simple rhythm of the task. It helps me stay grounded in the present moment. Homemade pickle always reminds me of love, family, and the traditional flavors we grew up with. Every family has its own version, and this is one of my favorite simple recipes. I have added less green chilies compared to all the veggies because I don't want to make it too spicy. This tangy, crunchy pickle pairs beautifully with almost any meal. It adds an extra burst of flavor and makes every bite even more delicious. The best part is that it is not overly spicy. It has just the right balance of tanginess and mild heat, so even Riona enjoys it. Seeing her happily eat homemade food with a little pickle on the side always brings a smile to my face. I have cut all the veggies in vertical shape, but you can cut in any shape you like. The colors are so beautiful. Bright orange carrots, fresh green chilies, and the deep red spice blend. The aroma of the spices instantly makes the kitchen feel warm and comforting. I have added 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of split mustard seeds. This is optional. And a lot of lime juice. One tablespoon of oil and just mix. And our colorful pickle is ready. Now that the pickle is ready, I'll transfer it into a container and place it in the fridge. After a little time, all the flavors will come together beautifully, making it even more delicious. It's always nice to have a jar of homemade pickle waiting in the fridge, ready to add a little extra flavor to our everyday meals. Now it's time to slow down and enjoy a little break. Riona and I are sitting on the balcony with a bowl of fresh lychees and cherries. These are some of our favorite summer treats. Lychees are so incredibly juicy and sweet. I always find it fascinating how they look so rough and unusual on the outside. Yet inside, they are filled with such delicate sweetness. It's a beautiful reminder that sometimes the most wonderful things are hidden beneath a simple exterior. Moments like this make me feel so grateful to nature for blessing us with such beautiful, nourishing fruits. The colors, the flavors, and the joy of sharing them with my little girl make this ordinary afternoon feel truly special. As this beautiful day slowly comes to an end, it's time to end this vlog. Thank you so much for spending this beautiful day with us. I truly hope this vlog brought a little calm, a little warmth, and comfort into your day. If it encouraged you to slow down, appreciate the simple joys, or take a moment to be present, then my heart is full. No matter how busy or challenging the day has been, the setting sun brings a sense of calm, hope, and gratitude. And then I decided to head out for an evening walk with Riona. And the sky is painted with the most beautiful shades of pink, orange, and golden light. What an incredible ending to the day and to this video. Thank you for watching.